now, and this is what is called as a sum of products. That means the products are sum, that is the sum of products. Now we want to replace with NAND gates only. NAND gates only. Then how to replace? So the AB, let given the inputs BC. That means here the output is equals to AB bar, and for this output is equals to BC bar. That means again we are giving to this as NAND gate. That means here AB bar dot next BC bar and whole bar. That means this becomes De Morgan's law plus, that means this bar becomes bar. So from this becomes AB and this becomes BC. So it's very clear here, AB it becomes AB bar and BC is become BC bar, and since it is a NAND gate and AB bar, this is one term, this is one term, this into this whole bar. So as per the De Morgan's law, we can separate them into this thing, right? Next, and how to implement this sum of products with using NOR gate only. This is NOR gate. So let us implement how to implement. So by doing, because since it is the sum of products and we are using the NOR gates are very easy to implement the product of sums. So that's why we used to give reverse inputs instead of giving direct inputs. This is, these two are NOR gates A, B, but we are giving reverse inputs because it is opposite function, duality. That's why we are giving. So this becomes A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this is B bar plus C bar whole bar. Now it is given as, again this is one. That means this becomes A dot B and this becomes B C. Now this becomes AB plus BC whole bar. The output of the, this is output of the NOT gate. Sorry, the output of the NOR gate is, this is output of the NOR gate. But our aim is to get AB plus BC. So for that, we again, this is given to the 2 input NOR gate. Then this becomes AB plus BC whole bar whole bar. That means AB plus BC. This is how we can modify, where we can draw the circuit by using only NOR gates. Next. Next is POS, product of sums. That means A plus B, B plus C. That means POS, product of sums. Product of sum. That means POS. Then POS means it is easily can be implemented with NOR gates. That means, so by using two NOR gates, we can easily implement because they are same functionality. This is A and this is B and this is B and this is C. That means this is A plus B whole bar, this is B plus C whole bar. And NOR gate, and this is A plus B plus B plus C whole bar and whole bar. Now as per the De Morgan's law, B plus C whole bar whole bar. So this means A plus B and this means B plus C. So it's very once again I am writing a plus b plus b plus c. Now this is equal to this. Thus we can implement using simple NOR gate with the product of sums. But coming to the NAND gates implementation, then how to solve it? NAND gates implementation, it's just simply reverse inputs as we discussed. This is A bar and this is B bar and this is B bar and this is C bar, reverse inputs. Then this becomes A bar B bar whole bar, that means A plus B, and this becomes B bar dot C bar whole bar, that means B plus C, and we are giving this inputs again NAND gate, that means A plus B into B plus C whole bar, and we need to do them again. This is given if two inputs NAND gates, then the output here is A plus B, B plus C whole bar, that means A plus B and B plus C. Thus we can implement all by using NAND gate and NOR gates. That means final conclusion, the sum of products can implement only NAND gate and with only NOR gates. Next, POS, product of sums, is only with NAND gate and only with NOR gates. So this is the conclusion of this class.